So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy silver on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on Explore. Once you're here, you can either go to the top to where it says Explore and type in silver. You can also just cancel that out, go to the bottom to where it says Perps, and make sure that commodities is selected, then press on Perps again. So once Perps is selected, if you were to scroll down the silver right here, go ahead and select that. Now you can't actually physically buy like silver stock or anything, but instead you can buy long or short positions in silver and hopefully make money that way. So once you're here, go to where it says Market Insights. For me at the bottom, you have a long or short option. So if you were to press long, for example, here, you can do a market order or a limit order. You can also change your leverage by pressing on that. You can select the auto close, the pay width. You can see the margin, the price, the fees, etc. And if you want to continue, go to the bottom to continue that way. Press where for me it says insufficient funds to continue that way. But if you were to go back here and press short, it's the exact same thing, but this time for a short position. So you can't actually physically buy it or invest in it, but instead you can buy short or long positions based on silver in this case. But yeah, that's how you guys can, I guess, get the closest to buying silver here on MetaMask that you can. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.